Have you ever seen a university that organizes a dinner night party for the students and does not collect a dime from the students to finance the events? If yes or no, please tell me in the comment section. Hey guys, welcome back to Paul Finance YouTube channel. My last video on GEC, I promised to drop a banger of BYU date night, and here is the video promise kept. I am 100% active for you guys at all times. If you're new to our channel, you're very welcome to the family. Don't forget to show us some love, and you can do so as you hit that subscribe button. Guys, come on, let's get going. The BYU date night was a spectacular one, filled with joy, happiness, colorful events, mind-blowing activities with beautiful girls and handsome guys as participants. I don't know how I went home without a date. It's still a mystery to me till now. The event was opened with a prayer and grace with an opening speech from a BYU administrator, person of Dr. Victor Korebi, who is African West Area Director for BYU Pathway. MC Badmouth with Badmouth was the MC of the day. Some persons came with their dates, and other people like me who do not have a date came to the activity to find a date. Interesting and fun games were played among single pringles to bring them together to form meaningful bond and connection and create lasting memories. Game challenge of 30GB and FC were presented. Commoner, see support for favorite artists and musicians. Now look at the FC. Not bad. Now look at the 30GB fans. 001 for a reason. The event was closed by a closing prayer. Before that, the closing speech was given by the GEC manager, the person of Uwim Eden, and one of us, an upcoming artist, a bad musician that you guys should watch out for, the person of Papilodin, gave us his performance on stage. The love, the support, the vibe was massive and top notch. So guys, I will give you guys time to watch it, but as you do so, don't forget to support the brand and our channel as you help to subscribe, like, share, comment. Most importantly, turn on your notification bell to receive more of our updates. Thank you guys for watching.